Hi, my name is Ashley Coolman. I am an integrated solutions consultant, digital specialist. I have been with Greenmark Equipment for 5 years now, and today we're going to talk about the Operations Center and how to create an Op Center account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to myjohndeere.deere.com, and you're going to come to a page that looks like this. The first thing you're going to want to look at is for this not registered, create new account. Once we click that, it's going to open up a new tab. It's going to ask what best describes you, and we're going to select agriculture. Then it's going to ask to select a focus, and we are going to select farmer/producer. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in our username. For this example, we are going to use the Greenmark Growing Project. It will then populate a box for your email address. You will need to validate your email address. I have now typed in my email address, and it will make a notification down here that the account already exists with this email address. This is because I have created other accounts in the past. Yours should not say this. If it does, please select that we recommend to use this existing account, and it will take you to the account that you have previously already started. Since we have included all of this information, we are then going to hit Submit for Email Verification. It will then ask you for a verification code that was sent to your email address that was shown above here. So now I see my verification code, and I can just copy this verification code. I now paste that verification code or type that into the enter verification code and hit verify email. Now that our email has been verified, I'm going to fill out this information of my name, phone, country, address, city, state, and zip code. Now you can see that I have filled out all of this information, and we hit next step, create password. Now it will show you what you have to have in order to have your password be taken. I'm going to go ahead and create a password at this time. You will now see that I have checked every box that the password guidelines are required. The passwords can have non-alphanumeric characters. You are not required to complete this objective. Now we can go ahead and hit create password. So now I have filled out my organization name and double checked to make sure that my legal name was correct. At this time, we can go ahead and select next. Unless you are a commercial business, then you can select this toggle switch. By accepting these terms and conditions, John Deere cannot see any of your personal data. It will all be anonymized, and they can assist if needed by looking up an organization ID. So now that we've selected this checkbox to agree to those terms and conditions, we can now select next. It will now ask for your equipment if you have any to put in here. If you have your serial number, you can go ahead and put that in at this time. If you do not have a serial number, you can select I do not have a serial number, and you can enter a name of that piece of equipment and model. So now we are on step 3, which is our equipment phase. And I have located a serial number of this combine, S770. And I went in and I put that serial number and selected the name. It then auto-populates all of this information, and if it is a Deere machine, you will not be able to change the colors. Now I can hit Add Equipment, and it will add that piece of equipment into your account. If you have a piece of equipment that has an MTG on it that is in another person's account, it will say that that terminal is already in another person's account, and you will need to contact your Greenmark IS team at the Greenmark Expert Connect number. So now it takes us into the sign in page, and it's asking for your username that you previously put in. Now that you have your username put in, you can select next. It will then ask for your password that you previously made. Once you have the password in, you can hit sign in. Now it will ask you to select a John Deere dealer. So in this case, the closest dealer to us is Greenmark Equipment, Holland, Michigan. Now it is going to say enable data sharing with dealer or do not enable data sharing with dealer. If you select enable data sharing with dealer, it allows us to assist you all the way through the process, whether that be expert alerts that go directly to our service department when you're having issues, the ability to RDA with the IS team when you are needing assistance at the edge of the field, or when you need a setup file sent to your piece of equipment when you are sitting at the edge of the field. This enables those abilities. If you select do not enable data sharing with dealer, this does not allow us to help you in any sort of fashion. We can see visually your account, but we cannot RDA with you or get those expert alerts or have the ability to really assist you in the best possible way that we possibly can. So we are going to want to hit enable data sharing with dealer. Once we select that, we are going to click complete setup. Now it comes to the screen where it says you are all set. It allows you to review all of your information that you previously put in and select done. So now we are at our dashboard and we have the option to select financial accounts, Operations Center, seller support. For this video, we're going to go ahead and select Operations Center. This will open up another page that takes us to the map page. We currently have an empty account, but keep an eye out for our additional videos that will be coming to be able to view how to pull that data into your account. Thank you for watching our video on how to create an Operations Center account. If you have any questions regarding creating your Operations Center account, please contact us at Greenmark Equipment Expert Connects line at 269-397-8974.